That is why she unlocked this power. Yo, Wagwan, this is Xavier, and welcome to the channel. We're gonna be watching episode 6 of Miss Marvel. It's the finale, season finale, and we're not gonna spend too long on this intro. Just gonna go right into it very quickly. Just recap. Kamala and her mother have come to an understanding. Muneeba and Sana, they came to a lot of the understanding. The Jinn, they're all gone. But Najma did something with Kamran, and so everything in that situation is resolved. And now it's just to deal with the DDoC. I'm assuming that because this says episode 6 synopsis says, back in New Jersey, Kamala fights to save our friends from the clutches of damage control. So I'm assuming, right, so we ended on a cliffhanger. Kamran saw Bruno offer help. The damage control drone came in. Kamran attacked the drone. The drone blew up the store. And so that was a cliffhanger. We're just gonna keep moving and let's get into it.
Damage control. They're coming. Come on. Stop right there. Oh, sorry.
Watch where you're going.
We gotta go.
Interesting cold open. Kinda just using his powers wantonly because you can't control them. Totally understand. Totally get it, because he's just like, oh. Yeah.
I am the Lego.
You're what?
Oh my God.
I've been dying to ask you, are your powers limitless, or do you have to recharge?
Oh,
Actually,
also, I have been dying to ask you. On Eid, did you drop that kid on purpose, or was that like a game time
Aamir.
decision?
Oh, come on, Aamir.
I just want to be sure you're being careful now. I mean, just because you can do all these amazing,
Yeah.
doesn't mean that you actually volunteer to go looking for trouble, right? Hey, I just wanted to make sure.
Kapur, I don't think you raised me to sit by and do nothing when I can help. And you trust her, right?
Yeah. Yes, suddenly you trust her. Okay.
This feels a bit more like you,
That's so cute. So cool and so cute. I really love it.
Story, but our train escape kind of got derailed, and now we need a place to hide from the cops.
Crazy, you can't hide a mosque.
Why? What houses of worship are supposed to offer sanctuary?
This is a mosque in America.
Exactly. Calm down, bro.
Department of Sanitation probably has this under surveillance. And the coast is
Wrong place. Of course they show up to the mosque. Oh boy.
Looking for a high-level threat, presumably male, 16 to 25, Pakistani or Arab.
But you're describing practically everyone here.
See, this could take a while. Lucky for you, Rashid has brought his famous yummy chocolate chip cookies. He is so good anyone on my side. Not even concerned if God is on my side, as long as I am on his side. God is always right.
Nice words, man.
Thanks. Excuse me. Actually, that was Abraham Lincoln.
Search every room.
Please don't hurt him. He's a really nice boy.
What up?
I know. My mom would kill me if she found
Did you hear that? I'm a boyfriend. We're both witnesses. Do you have a body body cam, I'd love to have this one.
Keep looking!
Wait. You need a disguise.
Yeah, perfect.
Go.
What are you guys wearing?
What are you wearing?
You were.
Exactly.
Hey, we gotta go. Get up.
Oh yeah, I was supposed to check if he's the guy from Do Revenge. I haven't checked, so I'll know. I suppose I haven't edited yet, but I completely forgot. I'll just find out in the discussion and tell you then.
I know someone who can get him out to you. Just get him to the harbor by midnight.
Okay.
That quickly? Whoa, he's efficient.
You know, no.
Well, I mean, I tell you everything.
Are you didn't?
Biggest things ever happened to me didn't tell me, so I mean, maybe.
Okay, but
Yeah, exactly.
hate superheroes. I didn't want you to hate me.
No, I would never.
No, I know you wouldn't hate me. It's
Oh, disguised hate. Okay, I get that. I get what Kamala's saying.
This is the plan. Since DODC is already here, we obviously can't outrun them, so we distract and stall for as long as possible until we can get Kamran safe. Got it?
Sounds good. We'll keep him busy while you run out the back.
What are you doing here?
How did you get in here?
Yeah, how did he get in there? Come on, Zoe. Zoe.
Evacuate Najma. You hear me?
Understood.
We're in position. Do we have a green light?
Is she gonna say yes?
Call in all additional units. Now.
Disobeying the order.
Not cousin Kamran, huh? What are you even doing, my sister?
Travel lessons.
Do you even like British Bake Off?
The British Bake Off is the thing that gets him.
Looks like we got a bomb.
Got a bomb on the west wing. We're gonna need the bomb squad.
Doesn't mean it's not a bomb. Oh, it wasn't. Okay. Oh, cool. I saw that scene in Corridor Crew. Also, I know I'm referencing another Corridor Crew in my videos. I know. Are they gonna kiss?
Hey guys, what's going on?
Oi! Kinda rough. Oh, behind you.
They tried to destroy everything.
She was trying to save our world. My home.
That's not your home. This is your home. Earth. Whoa! Yo, it's kind of wild firing that on children. She's doing too much. Nice. Oh.
In her last moment, she said everything she had to protect you. She chose you.
That is true. She did. That is why she unlocked this power.
They could have
everything I've done. Kamala. What am I supposed to do now? How can I be normal?
You can't be normal.
There is no normal.
Exactly.
There's just us and what we do with what we've been given.
Bad play, Diva. She just lost her job or demoted.
Yes, don't say anything, don't do anything, just get out of there, okay? You went against my orders publicly, and then you attacked a bunch of kids using our name, and you know what that means? Yes, that means that you're relieved of your duty. A unit's going to fix your mess. Get out of there, now.
Team, go out!
As I figured would happen. She's an idiot.
It was wild, man. She was like, "Kapow! Take that!"
It's going to be very difficult for her to find a husband.
Of course, auntie.
Skills. Well, I don't know where those skills went when she dropped me and broke my leg. Guess I was a beta test.
Come celebrate this Friday. Celebrate our own superhero. Read ice cream pizza.
Ice cream pizza. Okay, I don't know. That's gotta be a thing now. I gotta search that up. Ice cream pizza.
Your mother and I tried for years to have a second child. We'd almost lost all hope. You were just so perfect. That's what Kamal means in Arabic. Perfect.
Ah.
But it will do it small, like wonder. Mom. Kamal means mom.
Interesting.
But you sure are, and always have been, our own little smile.
Message? That's the name. That's a cool shot. I like that. It's like she's kind of like she's Spider-Man. Big up her for trusting the strength of that pole, though.
I think we might have had it wrong the first time around.
Also,
Kamala, there's something different in your genes. Like a mutation.
Whatever it is, it's just going to be another label.
that is true. So Kamala is a mutant. That's what they're saying. Okay, so I saw something on Twitter about that when the show was coming out. That about some about mutants and stuff. So I totally forgot until just now when they said it. Yeah. Okay, see, I can compartmentalize. Thank you, brain. Well done. What? Oh, okay. Great tie-in. Good tie-in. Alright, so that end credit scene, that mid-credit scene. Yeah. Okay, so I just did some research. The Marvels is coming out 2023, July 28th. Okay, it says The Marvels is an upcoming American superhero film based on Marvel Comics featuring the characters Carol Danvers as Captain Marvel, Kamala Khan as Marvel, and Monica Rambeau. Monica Rambeau being Teyonah Parris that we saw in WandaVision. Ah, interesting. Can't wait for that. That was a nice little thing to get us a little hyped. How did that happen? How? Ooh, I want to see how they explain that. Also, to clear something up, I did some research and the guy, Rish Shah, is the name who plays Kamran, and he was in Do Revenge. I was right. I recognized him. Big up me. Yeah, thank you. I accept the applause. This series, I'm just gonna do a whole series wrap up because, oh yeah, I missed a little thing about the finale first. Good finale. Wrap things up. Give us a little teaser for what's coming in the future. I don't know if there's gonna be a season 2, but it's fine. This episode is based mainly at the school where, right, so Kamran and Bruno escape. The DD was a searching for them. Kamala's family find out about her powers. And then everybody meets at the school with Nakia, Aamir, Kamran, Bruno, Kamala, Zoe. And they just formed this plan to try to escape and get Kamran to the docks because Kareem has somebody there to take him to Pakistan. So to do that, they're in their thing, the hijinks ensue, they get the plan. Kamran and Kamala almost kiss. And I was wrong. I thought there would be something explored between Bruno and Kamala, but they didn't do it. They teased at it. They didn't do that here. So if there's a season 2, I expect that to show up in season 2. We got a nice little showcase of the powers between Kamala and Kamran. Agent Denver, I think their name. She was kind of wild, attacking children. With like this big sonic gun. They're not the Hulk. You don't need to go that overboard. And she was rightfully relieved of her duty. She was crazy. She's an idiot. He did not deserve any amount of power. And I'm glad she got caught up on that. But he gave us a nice little villain to antagonist to play off against. Because they were kind of doing that with Kamran, but they didn't go fully in there and allowed him to escape. So I like that they didn't go fully there with Kamran. He was doing too much, but they pulled it back enough, and so I'm glad for that. And yeah, so good finale. The CGI was mostly well done. I really didn't have any complaints. I did see that scene with the foam and Carrelli crew. I know I mentioned them a lot, but it's a channel I watch regularly. So they did a breakdown of that, and as well as they did a breakdown of the they took the same episode that they breakdown of that plus the jumping scenes. Yeah, I like that. Her family was supportive and the community was supportive, and they're all rooting for her because she's one of them. You know, I really dig that. You know. That's how it should be. One of your own, and she's protecting you. So you protect them. It's like the scene with Spider-Man. Which Spider-Man was that? It was Spider-Man 2? I think it was Spider-Man 2, where he saves the people in the train, and they see his face, and they protect him. That would never happen though. Believe me. Because everybody sees his face and nobody tells the secret. But then they wouldn't know who he was. They don't know his name, just seen his face. And Peter Parker's not famous, so I get it. I'm not gonna knock the narrative that they were trying to show about the togetherness about New York. We stay for each other all that. So yeah, but that was a little bit shown in this scene. There at the end where they all protect her. And yeah, so good episode. Really complaints. Overall, nice series. It wasn't amazing, but it was pretty good. Some good jokes in there. Nice little choreography, nice little action. We got some new faces, some little diversity, some little showcasing of expansion of the MCU. There is a potential thing for mutants. So Oh, and it's a nice little setup for the movie next year. Iman Vellani, I liked her as Miss Marvel, as Kamala. Um, I have one criticism though. A couple of the scenes where she's trying to show like some emotion. Okay, like she was fine for the emotion for the most part. Like she didn't, it didn't take me out of it. But like some scenes, like the scene where she was talking to Najma, and she's trying to get her to stay for Kamran and not to go into the portal and to go into the veil. I know it's kind of off there for me. So everything else was fine, but that scene and there was another one previously. Like I don't know, this didn't hit for me. She didn't sell it properly. I don't know, maybe it was her face. What she was doing with her face. Cause the words were there, but her face, it wasn't selling fully. But overall, I really liked her in the role. But though that scene and another scene similar to it early in the season, it just didn't sell it for me. But yeah, that's the only criticism I really have. Cause I'm just taking what they showed me as face value, showing a bit of Pakistani culture, showing us about the partition. You know, it's both educational and fun. Kind of like Doctor Who. Yeah. With superpowers involved, and Bruno was kind of too smart, but then he got into Caltech early admission, so. But I don't know, it's kind of stretching the bounds of credibility there for me. But superpowers, so whatever. And yeah, so I really like this. Not much bad to say about it. A whole lot of good, funny, entertaining, representative, educational, fun. There's a lot of good, a whole bunch of good times. I really liked all 6 episodes, some better than others. But the first episode, I was like episode 4, episode 5, kind of low than the other qualities. I don't remember which one it was, but yeah. But otherwise, all good. It was not amazing TV, but it was good TV. Enjoyable. That's the goal. They nailed it, and you're not expecting anything deep with this, cause it's a teenage girl, and they're not trying to be. They were not aiming for a drama. They were aiming for a nice little comedy, sci-fi superhero thing, and they nailed that. And they showcased Muslim and Pakistani culture. That's what they're trying to do, and they did it. So, big up them, and that's me. Bye.